Bestie, were you like me? Did you once think this was your natural hair? When someone came up to you and asked you, oh, like, what's your natural hair? You couldn't say straight, you couldn't say curly, you couldn't even say wavy. You were like, poofy. Ever since I started wearing my curly, wavy hair, you guys have non-stop asked me for a hair routine. It is such a short and simple routine that I have. For the girls that actually have like curly hair are probably gonna cringe watching this. This is just what works for me. Trust me, I've seen so many videos and tried out so many different products and techniques. I go back to this. It's just easy for me. I like how it looks. I get so many compliments. I feel good. The whole point of wearing my natural hair is the fact that I don't have the energy or patience to do or style my hair. I like how easy this routine is. And yeah, if you want your hair to stop looking like this after the shower, keep on watching, besties. Okay, besties, we're definitely starting off on the wrong foot. Personally, I do like doing my wavy curly hair routine on soaking wet air. I did shower a few hours ago to show you guys the state of my hair when I don't style it. This is how I used to live my life. So I'm just going to hop in the shower and re-wet my hair all over again. Quite literally just going to put my head like this in the shower. Wet the hair really quick. That's just what we're gonna do. This is what I mean by soaking wet hair. Well, we did it. I go in with this leave-in conditioner. This is literally from Pantene and it smells so good. Leave-in conditioner is really good when you have textured hair. It doesn't matter if it's wavy, curly, whatever it is. It smells good, it's good for your hair, and it just adds to that styling process. It also helps wet your hair. This is the only time we're going to brush our hair. This is the Swissco Pro. Let's brush our hair. I start off the ends of my hair and I slowly work my way up. Oh, this is disgusting. Usually my hair falls out so easily. This hairbrush, it literally barely pulls out my hair. Again, I like soaking wet hair, so I'm gonna go back in with this leave-in conditioner and really make sure that everything is soaking wet. I'm gonna go in with the Not Your Mother's Curl Cream. This is the Defining Curl Talk Cream. I use a good amount. I don't know if that's too much, too little for some of you. This is what I'm gonna use on my full head of hair. Brush it through and lightly scrunch. Some days that's enough. Some days I want to add a little more. This time I want to focus it here on my front pieces. That's what I feel like tends to make or break if my hair is gonna look good or not. Now right after that I go in with mousse. Some days when I'm really feeling lazy or I ran out of these products, as long as I put some mousse in my hair is what makes my hair look amazing. Personally, I use the Tresemme Extra Hold Mousse. I have it in the strength 4. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't really tried many mousses. If you guys have any good suggestions, let me know. I really just do like this one. The part where we're generous, besties. I am generous. Flip the head over. We're gonna grab that mousse and we're literally just going to do prayer hand and make sure that mousse is nice and coated, and then scrunch and repeat, girls. Do you guys hear that product? That is the sound you always want to hear. Just look at that, it already looks so beautiful. Oh my god, there's already such a difference. Do you guys see this? It is officially time for gel. I like to use the Tresemme Freeze Hold Sculpting Gel. I really like this gel because it is so good when doing slick back. Literally feels like you have a whole helmet on. And when I want to wear my natural hair, oh my god, even better. Holds my hair, but I feel like it is not as heavy as other gels that I've tried. I just really love this gel. I personally do the exact same thing I did with the mousse. Flip my head over and I just apply a generous amount all over my head. Simple as that, ladies. The front pieces to me are the most important part, so they're the part I like to put the most product in. But I definitely always start off by applying any product on the front pieces first, and then whatever's left over, I take it to the rest of my head. Voila. Now what I do is you can either take a cotton t-shirt. In this case, I have a microfiber towel. I literally got this in a 2-pack from Amazon. I'm going to scrunch up, just doing it with the towel. I don't know why, but it makes the waves, curls so much more beautiful. It's a subtle difference, but I feel like I can tell. You guys see that difference? Now I'm going to do the exact same thing, but upside down one more time. Oh my god, look at how beautiful my hair looks right now. Gorgeous. This is the part that I'm really scared of getting attacked on. Diffusing my hair, I hate doing. I've done it and I hate doing it. I really like how my waves come out when I just let it air dry. I know, I let it air dry. Usually I do what I'm about to do and then I go and I do my makeup, and by the time I'm done with my makeup, my hair is pretty much dry. I'm just gonna grab this clip. It's literally a random clip I think I got in like a huge pack from Amazon, and I'm gonna go in and grab these front pieces like this and go like that. Personally, I do like a teeny bit of volume. I don't want my hair to look like, I also don't want my hair to look big. That's just not what I love. This just gives me a little bit of volume at the root, but just subtle way. Now I'm going to take 2 more clips. I'm gonna split my hair in 2. Grab the hair clip and just lop. It's fine if some hairs get out, but just try to get as much as you can in there and connect it up here. This is what we look like, and now we wait. This one will stay up here until I'm about to leave the house. These will come off after like 10 minutes because then I do want them to start drying. I don't keep these side ones on for too long. I'm gonna let go. Might look a little crazy at first, but trust the process. We wait until this head of hair is as dry as she can be. It's definitely been over an hour. My hair is not like insanely dry. Like I could definitely wait a little bit more, but I would be lying to you guys if I said that sometimes I don't wait. Typically my hair would be a lot drier than this. Normally I'd be doing my makeup as it dries, but right now I was laying down, so I feel like I was laying on my hair, so I feel like it was a little harder for it to dry. I know it's quite literally a crime. I've heard it, I've seen it, to break your gel cast when your hair is still damp. Again, I think you guys have noticed I don't play by the rules. It is time to take this clip out. I'm gonna be taking this hair serum. We do get this from Mexico, so I'm not sure if it is sold in the US. Usually I'll just take a very minimal amount. If I need more, get more later. I really work it into my hand and I start at the bottom, start slowly trying to get rid of that gel cast, and there you go. Like I said, it's just so easy, and I like the fact that my hair still feels like I have no product in it. This is the finished result. I know I definitely did not do a lot of things right. I get attacked by the wavy and curly hair community. Girls, I love you. Your hair is amazing, beautiful, and perfect. This is what works for me. I know I probably could do a million more things and my hair could look 20 times better. I'm still learning. It's a process. Keep in mind, she definitely still needs to dry up. But even then, right now that it's still a little damp, I'm so happy with the result. I absolutely love it. I love you besties all so much, and I will see you guys next Friday. Love you.